Hello pickle lovers, welcome to your favorite channel, HalfTuber81. Today I'm diving into a pickle challenge. Can I ditch oil pickles for brine water pickles and still love the flavor? Let's find out. Pickling is an amazing way to preserve food. Add some zing to your meals and explore different flavors. But have you ever stopped to think about the method you're using? Specifically, I'm talking about the debate between oil pickles and brine water pickles. What if I told you that one of these methods might be better for your health and your taste buds? Oil pickles have been a staple for a long time, but they do come with some drawbacks. For one, the oil can add a lot of calories and fat to your pickles. Plus, there's the potential for the oil to go rancid, which can affect the flavor and safety of your pickles. I've had my fair share of oil pickles, but I've started to notice that they can taste a bit one-dimensional. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of using so much oil. Brine water pickles, on the other hand, are gaining popularity, and for good reason. By using a brine solution, you can create a more complex flavor profile that's both tangy and savory. Plus, brine water pickles tend to be lower in calories and fat. I've started experimenting with brine water pickles, and I'm loving the versatility of it all. You can add different spices, herbs, and even vegetables to create unique flavors. Another benefit of brine water pickles is that they're often easier to make than oil pickles. I mean, think about it. You don't need to worry about heating up oil or dealing with the mess of oil splatters. Just create your brine solution, add your vegetables, and let time do the rest. I found that brine water pickles are also more forgiving. So even if you're new to pickling, you're less likely to end up with a batch that's too salty or too sour. I've been experimenting with brine water pickles for a while now, and I'm blown away by the health benefits. For one, the brine solution can help to support gut health by introducing beneficial probiotics into your diet. Plus, many of the spices and herbs used in brine water pickles have anti-inflammatory properties. And did I mention that brine water pickles are often lower in sodium than oil pickles? One of my favorite things about brine water pickles is the sheer variety of flavors you can create. From classic dill pickles to spicy Korean-style kimchi, the possibilities are endless. I've even started experimenting with different types of vinegar, like apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar, to add more depth to my pickles. So here's a surprising fact. Did you know that brine water pickles can be just as crunchy as oil pickles? I was skeptical at first, but I tried a recipe that used a combination of salt, water, and calcium chloride to create a crunchy texture. And let me tell you, it was love at first bite. The recipe I used was incredibly simple. Just slice up your favorite vegetables. Create a brine solution with salt, water, and some spices, and let it all sit for a few days. The result was a jar of pickles that was both tangy and crunchy. I'm hooked. If you're like me and you're looking for a healthier, more flavorful pickling method, then brine water pickles are definitely worth trying. Not only are they better for you, but they're also incredibly versatile and easy to make. In conclusion, switching from oil pickles to brine water pickles can make a big difference in your health and your taste buds. So give brine water pickles a try and see what you think. We want to hear from you. Do you have a favorite pickling method or a go-to recipe? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in more food-related content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're looking for more advanced pickling techniques, stay connected for more delicious brine pickles recipe. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.